Would you like to learn how to create a POS system and sell it to companies that need to manage their inventory and billing? In this course, you will learn how to create a POS point of sale system from scratch using the programming language PHP in its version 7, combining several resources that will allow you to offer useful characteristics for any company that needs to open a store or manage their sales and stock. This is a practical course where I will lead you step by step in the learning process of creating complex systems with PHP in its version 7 under the model view controller pattern. When you finish it, you could sell it to your clients, or it could be used as a basis to develop other complex systems. You will learn how to work with libraries like adminLTE template, great open source template for responsive software creation, jQuery data table used for dynamic tables creation, Morris.js used for dynamic graphics and statistics, Chart.js used for dynamic graphics and charts, Date Range Picker used for selecting date ranges, Input Mask helps the user with the input by ensuring a predefined format, TC PDF, it's a PHP extension for PDF format printing, and much more. My name is Juan Fernando Urrego. I'm an entrepreneur, web developer, and Udemy instructor with 10 courses in Spanish and more than 42,000 enrolled students. This is the English version of my best-selling course in Spanish, Cread Sistemas Post Inventarios y Ventas con PHP7 y adminLTE. If you're not happy with what you're learning, you can ask for your money back on a 30 days guarantee. You will be able to download the source code so you can lead the project to a real-world workflow. You will have personalized support throughout the course in the Q&A section, where you can ask anything you may need. Learning guaranteed.